We have reached to the place where we're gonna go to Acropolis, which is a very renowned place in Greece, and we have to climb the whole hill right now. But yeah, I can see the view. It's really nice. Oh my god, climbing up is a task, isn't it?
But where is it?
We need to go like this, I think.
Sure.
Yeah. The route to Acropolis is quite energy consuming. I am already tired, but we have to climb all the way up to reach on the top. But I'm quite enjoying it because it's my morning workout right now. So we paid 20 euros per head to go to Acropolis, and there is no student discount for it. So yes. Right now I'm in Acropolis, and this is a really nice place to be. You should try this place out. It's 20 euros for the ticket, and you would love it. The view is amazing from here.